Welcome to the Time Value Software Training video series. Our topic today is computing corporate refund interest using TaxInterest software. C corporations, commonly known as C Corps, are required to make quarterly income tax payments directly to the IRS if their anticipated tax is $500 or more. If the corporation paid more than necessary and the IRS underpaid their refund, interest may be due. It can be supported and disputed with proper documentation showing the computation. TaxInterest is a valuable tool to help navigate these types of intricacies. Refund interest for corporations is subject to special rules. For periods after 1998, C Corp refunds run at a rate 1% lower than the rate for individuals. In addition, C Corp refunds in excess of $10,000 are subject to an additional 1.5 percentage point reduction in the refund interest rate. This is known as the GATT refund interest rule. For this example, we will assume the corporate overpayment amount is $200,000, with an IRS interest refund check for $5,000. Start by selecting Payment from the Event drop-down menu on line 1. Then enter the overpayment date and amount. The interest refund starts from this date. Next, select IRS Check from the Event drop-down menu on line 2 and enter the date and amount of check. Then click the C Corporation Refund button in the main toolbar to open the C Corporation Refund dialog. Activate the Treat Taxpayer as a C Corporation checkbox, and TaxInterest will automatically compute the 1% lower C Corporation refund rate. Refunds in excess of the $10,000 threshold will be subject to the lower GATT rate. If you have a situation where you negotiate with the IRS to get the GATT threshold amount waived or increased, you can edit that here. Click OK to close the C Corp refund dialog. Next, click the Compute button in the main toolbar to open the results dialog showing refund interest earned on this tax overpayment and the amended refund amount based upon the computation date. If needed, you can adjust the computation date to any date that is appropriate. Then click Recompute. You can now click on the Report button to display the interest and penalty detail report, which is broken into 2 buckets. The higher rate for the first $10,000 is going to be a 1% discount and will accrue in its own bucket. And the GATT rate, which is 2.5% below the standard rate for everything above $10,000, will accrue in its own bucket. Note, the IRS check will come out of the high rate. You can scroll to the bottom of the schedule to see the totals displayed by quarter. TaxInterest detailed reports provide documentation essential for effective reconciliation with the IRS and are widely accepted by taxing authorities. If you have a question about a specific calculation, contact our TaxInterest support team at info@timevalue.com or call 800-426-4741.